really love to go to the beach. How about you?
Uh,
Yes,
a,
you like
a,
to go.
a place that we can. It is a place, and we can go there and
Mm-hmm.
and
And
and we can go
what? What kind of place? My answer is beach.
a, a swimming pool. There is no teacher.
Swimming.
It's
Mm.
where we can play us ourselves. And there is a place where grown ups say the water is a place where the water is
Mm.
warm is
And there are slides.
and and there is a pool that the water is warm. It's warm. And there is a water
Oh, okay.
slide and there is also a place where water will come down and splash you. And there is also a doubt pool.
We call it a water park.
It's outside.
Yep, it's a water park.
It's
Okay?
inside. It's inside. It's not outside.
Oh, okay. So it's not an outdoor water park.
Yes.
So maybe, I'm not sure though, if, but does it look like an outdoor water park? Ichen?
That,
Does it look like does it look like an outdoor water park?
no.
No? But there's an adult pool. Okay, so let's just make it general. Let's say swimming pool. Okay? Sorry, Ichin. Is my voice clear?
No.
No?
No.
Not clear? Ah,
Earlier is
Ichin, if my
not.
voice is not clear, try to.
Earlier is
Okay,
not clear.
but now it's okay, right? Okay. So let's imagine you'd like to go to the pool. Do you want to write it down now?
What was
Where's
it?
your paper? Ah, where is your paper, Ichin? Wait, let me share my screen with you again. This one. See this? Mm, mm, mm. Can you see this? Do you have this with you right now?
No.
No, she doesn't.
No? It's okay. It's okay. So let's answer this, please. Can you see it clearly?
Of a place you like to go. Write the names of the place on the last and
First and last
first
line. Sorry.
time. Fill in the rest of the lines using your five senses.
Okay. So if you don't have the paper, it's okay. Tell me, please. Fill in the blanks here.
Michael, the water park, I
Okay, when I go to the water park,
splashing,
I hear
splash. I taste nothing.
what do you hear?
Nothing.
Nothing? Of course you
Taste
hear
nothing.
something.
Taste nothing.
Uh-huh. But you have to hear something. What do you hear when you go to the water park? To a
I
water
taste. I said.
hmm?
I said I didn't taste anything.
Hmm. Okay, I taste nothing. How about I hear?
Here is splashing.
Okay. I hear a splashing sound. I
I
hear the water splashing. Is that right?
yes. I smell.
Okay. What do you smell?
I
Hmm.
smell.
Yeah. When you go to the water park, Ichin, do you bring food with you?
No.
No? No food? Okay. So what do you smell?
Mm, mm,
What do you smell? Let's skip smell first. Let's try feel. What do you feel?
yeah. Water.
You feel the water?
Water.
Yeah, you feel the water, right?
Yes.
Okay, then I see.
Uh, see, uh, water slide.
The water slides. I love
I love the water park.
the water park. Yes. Now, can you think of something that you smell there?
No.
No, it's okay. So I will give you an example, Ichin, okay? Do you want to hear my example?
Okay.
Okay. When I go to the beach, I hear the waves. I taste the salty water and I smell the food in my picnic basket. I feel so cold. I see people happy and I love the beach. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Ichin, what's wrong? Are you okay?
Yes.
All right. So now you have your skills sharpener book, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can you open to the page wherein you have to write a story? Did you open that to that page already?
Yes.
Okay. What's the first sentence written there, Ichin?
One day I heard a funny noise.
Mm.
It was a
Then
one
the
day
next
I heard
sentence says,
a funny No, it was outside. I went to the. I saw two kittens. The no mom. A car almost ran over them. I picked them up and took them to my car.
Ah, you already write a story? I mean, you already wrote a story?
Yes.
Yeah, you did. Sorry, Ichin. Can you read it again, please? A little bit slowly because I think the internet connection is a little bit bad.
One day
Can
I
you read it
heard.
again for me?
One day I heard a funny noise. It was outside. I went to look. I saw two kittens. They have no mom. A car almost ran over them. I picked them up and took them to the vet and adopted them.
Mm-hmm. Did you use the words in the box?
Let me see. Um,
Because it should be a story about a funny smell, right? That's the title of the story. A funny smell?
a funny
Hmm?
noise. A funny noise.
Oh, sorry, a funny noise. Sorry, not a funny smell. A funny noise. Okay. So, Ichin, this is what I heard from you, okay? I saw two kittens, right?
Yeah.
I saw two kittens. Then they had.
They have no mom.
Mm,
A
they had
car,
no mom.
a car almost ran over them. Pick them up,
Mm,
take them to the vet. I adopted them.
mm. So, how many words from the box did you use?
Uh, mm, mm,
Because Ichin, we will try to use all the five sentences. First sentence, it already has the word hear or heard, right? Second sentence, it already has the word see or saw. So we also have to use feel. What else?
feel,
Smell.
smell, hold, we, me, tree, see. We, me,
Mm.
tree, hold, smell, eat.
Yeah. So can we try that, please? Do you have another sheet of paper, Ichin? You can write it on a separate sheet of paper because
Yeah.
your story is already good. Okay. So the new story, you can, yeah, write it on another sheet of paper, please.
Uh, one day of the it was awesome. I want to look. I saw two kittens lay on laying.
Hmm. How do they smell?
They are stuck on a tree.
Hmm.
Hmm.
But
There,
Ichin, we have to use the past tense, okay? They were.
they were up a tree. They couldn't come
Mhm.
down. They want to eat. They smell something good to eat.
Mm-hmm. Writing that down.
Oh, held a branch for them to climb on. They leaned onto the branch, then onto the grass.
Mm-hmm. Then.
Then my mom helped me take the pictures. So we
Mm-hmm.
took a box and put it into a bed for the cat.
Mm-hmm. But what is the funny noise?
The funny noise is the meow.
The meow. I see. I think that one is better, Ichin. I saw two kittens. They had no mom. They were stuck in the tree. They smelled. What did they smell?
Something good to eat.
Oh, they smelled something good to eat. And then you helped them, right? You put a branch or you pulled the branch.
Held a breath.
So, yeah. So they could climb down, right? Mm-hmm. And then
And then
mommy took them home.
no, mom came
Not
home.
yet?
Mom, mom came home. We took the kittens inside. We used a box to make into a bed for the kittens.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And now they are happy, right? And then you heard the funny noise again.
Yeah.
Yes. Now you heard the funny noise inside your house, right?
Yes.
Okay. Did you write that down? You should have wrote that down, but it's too long. Do you want me to type it for you?
Okay.
Hmm. You want me to type it for you? So I saw two kittens
And
in the tree, right?
yes.
Mm, yeah, so that later you can copy it, okay?
Okay. Oh.
Stuck in the tree. They smelled something.
32 minutes.
What do you mean?
No,
Or
12
you can
minutes.
say they they smelled
11
the
minutes.
food.
There
It's
are
okay. You can also say
no, 21.
what do you mean?
21 minutes left.
I think 9 minutes left. So, Ichin, can I change one of your sentences? Can I say, they smelled the food in my hand? Can we do that? Mm-hmm. You said I held a branch, right?
Yes.
For them to climb down. Wait a minute.
for them to climb down.
Mom can
And I think we can add
right?
the weighted shadow.
Wait. I will tell you first.
I think
Is
we
this
can
correct?
use the weighted shadow. We can just kids play the weighted shadow. Waiting
In our
for
story?
us in the at home.
Okay, we can do that. So I already sent you. These are the sentences you told me earlier. I just typed it. Is that correct, Ichen? Can you read it, please?
Okay.
I saw two kittens stuck in the tree.
In the tree. I smelled the food in my hand. I held the branch for them to climb down.
Okay, and what's next?
Mom came home. We took the kittens inside and made a box uh into a cozy bed for them to
I'm sorry. And made boxes.
and
Made a
made a
box.
box into a cozy bed for them to sleep in. And then when we finished, we saw the kittens playing the weighted shuttlecock.
When we finished, we saw them playing. Wait a minute. With the weighted shuttlecock. And then you can also say we heard.
We heard them give a great
The funny.
give a great meow.
Yeah. Or we can say, because we'll try to use the title again, okay? So we heard the funny noise again.
A great meow.
A great meow in our house. This one, I think this is what the best for your story.
It's
Can you read
very
it?
long.
It is! Sorry, can you read it again, Ichin?
I saw two kittens stuck in a tree. I smelled the food in my head. I held a branch for them to climb down. Mom came home. We took the kittens inside and made a box into a cozy bed for them to sleep. When we finished, we saw them play with a weighted shuttlecock. We heard a funny noise again, a great meow in our house.
Do you like that? Do you like the story?
Meow. Because I said the great meow because in one of the books I read on the computer, there is a story about men and mice. They don't like each other. They decide to fight. So the men did lots of things to get ready for the war.
I'm sorry, to
The WAR war.
war. Okay, all right.
And they started to decide to have the war dance. So they dance, but then they are tired, so they fell asleep. And when they are asleep, the mouse crept into the room and broke cut the feathers from the and ruin the things. And then
Mm-hmm.
they have, and then they have a great war, war, war,
Not great meow. So there, they mentioned Great
great
War.
war, a great
Mm.
war squeak.
Okay. All right. So it wasn't a meow, of course. So it was a Great War, but it was squeak. Right? So, Ichin, sorry, I forgot to tell you. You have to check what other words did we not use. We have
Me,
hear, we have see, we have smell.
me, 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 me,
Me?
me, me, yes,
Me?
yes.
We have to put those here. So I will change a part, okay? Maybe. Mom, help me.
We can uh, type another sentence.
Mhm. Another sentence. Okay. I changed it. Mom helped me take the kittens inside.
I know we can write numbers. Okay, she gave me the bottle lick.
What?
Mom baked cookies. They gave me
Mm-hmm.
the bottle lick.
Mom baked
Cookie.
cookies and
She
gave.
she gave me the ball to lick. The ball of icing to lick.
Mom baked cookies and gave me a
The ball
bowl of icing.
the ball of icing to lick. 1 minute. 29
Sorry.
minutes left.
Seconds. Sorry, Ichin. Yeah. I think the story is a little bit long, Ichin, so you can try to summarize it. But that's the story you made, and I really like it, okay? Very good. So you were able to
That is very
use
long.
the
Long, long, long,
senses
long, long,
here. Yeah,
long, long,
it's a nice story.
long, long.
It's a nice story.
It's a very
So, Ichin, do you have any questions before I go?
no.
Ichin? No. So I'm not gonna see you on Wednesday, Ichin, but I'm gonna see you pretty soon, okay? So you can try to summarize your story. Just pick the sentences that you like, alright? And you
Alright.
can also add
30
a
minutes.
sentence that says, you touched, you touched its fur, okay?
Okay.
So, Ichin, sorry.